Good morning, everyone. Hope you guys are doing well. Today, we're going to help you crush your debt, get rid of debt, and help you on your way to financial independence. This tool is called the Debt Repayment Organizer tool, and it's currently on your screen. As with all FinSesh tools, it's available on our website, www.finsesh.com. And as all the tools of FinSesh that we create, all the blue sections are editable. I went ahead and I made up some names just as an example and save us some time. And then the tool works with the two biggest financial independence debt repayment methods. The first one is called the snowball method, and the second one is called the mathematical method. Whatever method you choose, they both crush debt. They both do really well. The one has just got a little bit more of a psychological feel behind it, where the other one is more mathematical based on the interest. So just to give you a small example, the snowball method, which is made famous by Dave Ramsey in the USA, he states that you start with the smallest debt first, repay that smallest debt first, and then take those monthly repayments and add it to the next biggest debt, and then repay that one, and then use both and go on to the next one. And it kind of creates like a payment debt destroyer, where the mathematical one says start repaying your highest interest rate first. Once that debt is repaid, go to the second one, but taking the first one's monthly payments into account, and then lowering down on the interest payable, and then crush your debt that way. What either method you choose or resonates with you, you're more than welcome to choose your method. Let's just give you an example how this tool works. So this person's got some debt with PEP, Pick and Pay, Woolies, and he's got car finance and Edgar's. Just made up a few. You can add your own. I made up debt amount that this person has. That's his total debt. Monthly repayments. All of these amounts and the interest payable are to be filled in from your debt statement from the various parties. So monthly PEP would send you an account saying you owe them 1,000 Rand, your monthly repayment is this, and you will see your interest rate payable. So let's just make up some further names. Let's say PEP interest is 15%, the Pick and Pay's interest was 18%, Woolies very expensive, they charge 23%. The car finance currently is due to the interest rate went up to 15 as well, or let's call it 14. And Edgar's charges 28%. And as you can see, it starts telling you in which order you need to repay your debt. The snowball method starts at Edgar's because it's the smallest, then it moves to the second smallest, third, fourth, fifth, and then the mathematical one ranks them according to the highest interest. So obviously Edgar's is first as well because it's got the highest interest payable, but then your Woolies at 23% is the second highest. And then this section at the bottom just shows you nice and easy which one to start repaying first according to which method. The snowball ranking just says, okay, let's start paying Edgar's first. Once you're done with the Edgar's account, take that monthly repayments and add it to the PEP's account, build that snowball. The mathematical method just says start with the highest interest rate first and work your way down until all your debt is crushed. And then hopefully once all your debt is crushed, you build a solid foundation and you are on your way to financial independence. Have a great day, everyone.